Christine.
Hey, Dad, what's up?
Oh, not much. I'm just sitting here with my little buddy, Rexy. Do you remember? You were with Rexy when he hatched.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
Oh! Check it out.
He really loves head scratchers. Watch this. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. He also likes it if you scratch under his chin like this. Oh yeah, there you go.
Wow, I think they like each other, Christine.
Yeah, I do.
They're gonna be best friends. Oh, I think he misses his mama. Should we take him for a visit?
Yes.
All right, let's go. So where is she?
She's around here somewhere.
Oh, there's the mama.
She wants to see her baby.
He loves his mama. Whoa, I think they want to play.
I know the perfect place.
We're at the arcade!
Oh, that's the Dino Pop game.
Let's put the tokens inside the machine. Go ahead, Christine. We need 4 tokens.
I'm excited. Here it comes. Let's do it. He likes it. Go, Christine. Come on. Christine. Oh, he did it. He did it. Christine, give him a high five. High five. Wow, we got some tickets. Hey, don't eat them. We need to trade those for prizes later. Super Mario! I'm gonna play as Yoshi. He likes Yoshi because it's a dinosaur.
I'm playing as Bowser because he's also a dinosaur.
Good idea. Check this out. Rexy can put the pellet in his mouth and then load it up. And then
Okay. There you go. All right, give him some more.
Claw machine.
Wow, that arcade was awesome. Did you have fun?
Yes, I did.
Me too. Oh, stay right here. I have a surprise for you, okay? All right, I'll be right back.
Here, Bumpy, do you want a snack?
Surprise!
Wow!
Yeah, I have another dinosaur. Look, this is a baby velociraptor. Whoa! Ah, there we go.
Do you want to eat a leaf?
Oh, I think he's hungry. Wow. We should cook some dinner for these dinos.
Okay.
All right, we're starving. So, are you ready to cook?
Yes, but first, transform. Ta-da! I'm a chef.
Wow, it's Chef Christine. That's awesome. What are you gonna cook for us today, Chef Christine?
Before I cook, I need to wash my hands first.
Oh, good idea. That's right.
Ooh, I'll wash Bumpy's feet too.
Good idea. Washing your hands before you cook kills any germs so it won't get on the food. All right, Chef Christine, what's the first thing in your pot?
I have a lemon.
Lemon.
Just let me wash it. Here you go. Do you want it?
Oh, the lemon is too sour.
Oh, I'll get some tomatoes. Here is a tomato.
Tomato.
All right, let's put it on the cutting board. They're smelling it. Blah. He doesn't want the tomato either.
But the tomato is healthy.
That's true. Maybe since Bumpy is an herbivore, he will eat it. Wow, I think he likes it. What about these guys? Is there anything else for them?
Carrot. It's a carrot.
Carrot.
All right, let's see if they'll eat it. So, what animal likes to eat carrots?
Rabbit.
That's right, rabbits like to eat carrots. Hey, maybe Bumpy would also like a carrot since he's an herbivore. Wow, he ate the whole carrot too. Oh no, Christine, it's not fair. They're still hungry.
I can cook them some meat. How about some steak?
Okay, let's see it. How do you cook the steak?
We cook it in a pan.
All right, let's see.
And we use a spatula too.
Spatula.
How would you like your steak?
I think they said they wanted medium well.
Then it's ready.
All right, let's dig in. Oh, wow. Wow, he really likes it. How about one for the raptor?
Maybe he can have a sausage. Sausage is meat.
All right, put it in.
Wait, I need to put this on.
What's that?
This is sauce. It'll bring out the flavor. Alright, the sausage is ready.
Sausages.
Wow, Chef Christine, you're great. They love it.
Who wants some more steak?
We do, we do, we do.
Gonna light up.
Dino, dino, the dino, 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 the dinosaur, dino, dino, the dino, 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 the dinosaur.